In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly add labels in Microsoft Planner to organize your tasks more clearly and efficiently. Labels are a simple but powerful feature. They help you visually group tasks, highlight priorities, and make your entire plan easier to understand at a glance. Let's get started. First, open your browser and sign into your Microsoft 365 account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and open Microsoft Planner from your apps. Inside Planner, click on My Plans from the left-hand side. This will show all the plans you're working on. Choose the plan where you want to add labels. After opening your plan, you'll see your tasks displayed on the screen. Now, click on any task to open its details. Inside the task window, look for the Labels section. You'll notice several colored label options. These are pre-made labels that you can use right away. To add a label, simply click on any color. Once selected, that label will be attached to your task instantly. Now, if you want to make your labels more meaningful, you can rename them. Just click on the label name field and type something that fits your workflow, like urgent, in progress, or review needed. Customizing labels makes it much easier for you and your team to understand what each task represents. You can also edit label names anytime by selecting the option to rename labels. This gives you full flexibility to adjust your system as your project evolves. If you ever need to remove a label, it's just as easy. Open the task again and click the X icon next to the label to delete it. Using labels effectively can make a big difference, especially when you're managing multiple tasks or working with a team. It keeps everything organized, clear, and easy to track. And that's how you quickly add labels in Microsoft Planner. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.